Hi guys, today I'm making double chocolate zucchini bread. If you follow my stories, you saw yesterday I had a couple big giant zucchinis come out of the garden that I need to put to use. This is so easy to make. It starts off with 1 cup butter, shortening, or coconut oil into a mixer, or you can mix it by hand. Then you'll add 1 cup brown sugar, and 1 cup granulated sugar. This is backwards. And then you'll lift it and beat it until the sugar and the butter is well combined. Once the sugar is blended, you can turn it up to medium to get it nice and fluffy. Then you're going to add your eggs one at a time until well combined. We're on 3. And our last egg, 4. That blends, I'm going to wash my hands. You'll want to scrape down the sides of the sugar and butter and egg mixture to make sure it's all well combined. And give it another minute. Once it's well combined, you'll want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We have 2 teaspoons baking powder. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we have a teaspoon and a half of salt. Blend for another minute till everything's well combined. You'll want to scrape down the sides one more time just to make sure everything gets really well combined. We're going to add 3.5 cups all-purpose flour or whole wheat pastry flour. We're going to use 2/3 cup natural cocoa powder unsweetened. I'm going to add 3 cups of zucchini. I'm using a big 1.5 cups, so I'll use 2 of these. If you have any big chunks of zucchini, you can just discard those. Oop, we got one more that skipped here. Any extra zucchini you have freezes really well. You can put it in a Ziploc bag, pre-measured to whatever your recipe calls for, and then pull it out in the wintertime when you need shredded zucchini. That's usually what I do with my extra. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of hot coffee. If you don't like coffee, you can use hot water instead, or milk is fine. The coffee just enhances the chocolate flavor. We're going to add 1 cup chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or semi-sweet, whatever you prefer. And we're going to mix until combined. Scrape down sides of the bowl and just make sure everything gets blended really well. Sometimes stuff sticks to the bottom that's hard for the mixer to get. So if you're using a mixer, make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of your bowl. We're going to grease 2 loaf pans. Just make sure to get into the crevices really well to help the zucchini bread release. Butter or shortening works, whatever you have on hand. We're going to divide our double chocolate zucchini bread batter evenly between the loaf pans. And then just press the batter evenly into the corners. And then we're gonna spread a 1/4 cup chocolate chips over the top of each loaf. We're gonna stick these into a 350-degree oven for 60 to 70 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center or knife comes out clean. My timer's now gone off, so we're gonna check on the zucchini bread. As you can see, we still have some batter sticking to the toothpick, so we'll give it another 5 to 10 minutes and check on it again. Okay, so the timer's almost done, so we're gonna check on our chocolate zucchini bread again and see if it's ready. You can see how it's come out a lot cleaner. There's a little bit on that side of, it looks like probably chocolate chip, but otherwise it's not sticking. We'll check the other one. And that one came out perfectly clean. And we're just gonna let the loaves cool before we remove them from the pans and slice them. Okay, so we're gonna slice the chocolate zucchini bread, and Jaden's gonna try it for us since she hasn't had.
I've never tried it.
She hasn't had zucchini bread before.
It looks really good. Yeah, that looks really good. Yum. Oh, it's warm too.
Yeah, it's still warm.
Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. That's really good. Okay, this is for me. Thank you.